Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 Facelift E, 136 PS. Now the hybrid is a cracking car and it comes with a great spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, an automatic post-collision brake, a forward collision warning, distance monitoring, a city emergency brake, 2 charging cables and the 16-inch Norfolk alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it has plenty of room to store your charging cables. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a multimedia interface and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.